If you're looking to automate web scraping without writing a single line of code, Browse AI is the solution. In this video, I'll walk you through how to automate web scraping with Browse AI, explaining how it works and how you can get started quickly, even if you're a beginner. First things first, if you want to try Browse AI for yourself, you can use it completely free with our exclusive bonuses, which you'll find in the first link below. Stick around and I'll explain how you can leverage this tool to its full potential. Browse AI is an intuitive tool designed for anyone who needs to collect data from websites, but doesn't want to deal with the complexities of traditional web scraping. It's a powerful platform that offers an easy point-and-click interface, making web scraping accessible to both novices and experts. You can extract data from any website and automate it on a recurring basis, saving you hours of manual work. The magic happens when you set up robots in Browse AI. These robots are your custom web scraping agents that can extract data from any web page, like product prices, reviews, or even news updates. You simply highlight the data you want on a web page, and Browse AI records that selection as a task. No coding required, it's that simple. One of the standout features of Browse AI is its ability to handle dynamic content. Many websites use JavaScript to load data dynamically, and most traditional web scraping tools struggle with this. Browse AI, on the other hand, can bypass these obstacles and scrape even the most complex websites, ensuring you get accurate and up-to-date information every time. Another benefit is how Browse AI schedules scraping tasks. If you need data from a website every day or even every hour, you can set your robot to run on a schedule. It can scrape the data automatically, and you'll get the results in a structured format like a CSV or JSON file, making it easy to import into your other systems or workflows. But what if you're scraping a lot of pages? No worries. Browse AI can handle large-scale scraping, and the platform even supports data extraction from multiple websites at once. It's fast, reliable, and scalable, meaning you can grow your data collection process as your needs expand. Whether you're gathering competitive intelligence, building a database of leads, or monitoring market trends, Browse AI has you covered. Its automation is a game changer for businesses and marketers who need data but don't want to spend valuable time managing manual tasks. Here's the best part. Browse AI offers an extended free trial with the exclusive bonuses we've mentioned in the description. That means you can get started without worrying about costs upfront. You'll have everything you need to scrape, automate, and store the data that can make a difference in your business. To get started, click the link below to grab your free trial and let Browse AI do the heavy lifting for you. No coding, no hassle, just results. So there you have it. Automating web scraping with Browse AI is as simple as setting up a few robots and letting them do the work for you. With its ease of use and powerful features, it's the perfect tool for anyone who needs reliable data fast. Don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial now by clicking the link below.